The MTN ICT and Business Skills Training is back, bigger and better. In addition to receiving free training from seasoned professionals, the top 200 participants will receive 40 million naira in equipment grants to boost their businesses. Openings are available to 3,000 young entrepreneurs and small business owners between the ages of 18 and 35, situated in Kogi, Adamawa, Jigawa, Anambra, Cross River, and Lagos. To learn more and apply, please visit mtnonline.com/mtnf-ICT. Applications are now open and will close on the 20th of December 2021.
Everywhere you go, MTN.